Imagine spending a hefty amount on premium gasoline for a luxury rental car, only to discover that it might not be worth the investment. This scenario plays out for many drivers, especially when faced with the common dilemma of whether or not to use premium fuel in rental vehicles. A thought-provoking TikTok video by creator HJ at @DatDudeJackson, which has garnered over 38,000 views, touches on this very issue while he fills his rental car at an Exxon station. "I don't care what the manufacturer recommends. Never put premium fuel in a rental," he asserts in a bold statement shared through overlays. This is not just a personal philosophy. He emphasizes that rental cars typically come with high mileage. A good number of drivers are inclined to bypass premium gas for rentals due to the extra costs it incurs, particularly since they only have the car for a limited time. The price of premium can range from an additional 50 cents to a full $1 more per gallon than the regular unleaded fuel. While that might seem like a minor price difference, it can accumulate significantly, especially during longer journeys when multiple gallons are required. Folks often argue that with short rental periods, the minor performance gains of premium fuel simply aren't worth the expense. You might find yourself wondering, is premium gas really that beneficial? This question sparks a dynamic debate among drivers. Those in favor of using premium fuel argue that it ensures optimal performance, particularly in high-end rental cars. However, many experts point out that rentals are typically high-mileage vehicles that aren't maintained to the same standard as personal cars, rendering the use of premium gas largely unnecessary. Delving a bit deeper into the topic, we uncover the fundamental distinction between premium and regular gasoline, the octane rating. The octane rating essentially measures a fuel's ability to resist knocking or early combustion, a phenomenon that can potentially harm your engine in the long term, as reported by AAA. Higher octane ratings, typically found in premium fuels, do indeed reduce that risk. Nevertheless, most standard vehicles are engineered to perform adequately with regular gas. If your rental specifically mandates premium fuel, you should comply with that requirement. In vehicles where premium is recommended, you can usually opt for regular without any detrimental effects, though you might perceive a slight difference in either performance or fuel efficiency. Gasoline pumps typically categorize fuel as follows: 87 octane as regular, 89 as mid-grade, and 91 to 93 as premium. It's worth noting that modern engines are typically equipped to tolerate a blend of both regular and premium fuels, unless explicitly designed for high-octane fuel. However, it's crucial to clarify that diesel engines operate on an entirely separate system, and mixing them with gasoline can cause severe damage. So it's always wise to check. For most everyday drivers, if the vehicle operates smoothly on regular gas, opting for premium is generally an unnecessary financial burden. Testing out various types of fuel and brands across several tanks can ultimately guide you in choosing the best option without racking up high costs at the fuel station. As the discussion continues, several commenters have shared their insights on this topic. One noted, "I worked at Enterprise, and every car, luxury included, was filled with regular gas." Others chimed in with their own viewpoints, such as one user asserting, "And that's why you should never purchase a rental." Another commentator shared their perspective. "I will use premium gas in a rental if it's required, especially if I want to experience the full power of a nice car. But when returning it, I'll definitely switch back to regular gas." Haha. The conversation around whether to use premium gas in a rental vehicle remains lively. So we ask, what's your take on this situation? Do you think it's worth the extra expense? Or do you side with the argument that regular is just fine? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's discuss.